Around the world, governments claim to represent the people, but not all systems work the same way. In democracies like Canada, citizens have the right to speak freely and challenge their leaders. However, in communist countries like China or North Korea, governments often silence criticism. In the digital age, the way a government responds to its people, especially to false information and protests, says a lot about its values. In a democracy, power comes from the people. Citizens are free to share ideas, ask questions, and criticize the government. In Canada, when people raised concerns about online hate and misinformation, the government introduced laws like Bill C-11 and Bill C-18. But many Canadians worried about censorship, so they spoke up through petitions and protests. The government made changes in response. That's democracy. Leaders listen because they work for the people. In communist governments, criticism is often silenced. In China, North Korea, and Cuba, the government controls what people can say, see, and believe. Citizens can't access platforms like Facebook or Twitter. The internet is filtered, and speech that criticizes the Communist Party is often removed or punished. When protests happen, they are quickly shut down. This results in misinformation being reduced, but so is the truth. The result? Citizens may feel safe from false claims, but they lose the right to question power. Democracy and communist countries both face misinformation, but their solutions are very different. Democracies rely on education, debate, and free press, though it can be messy at times. Communist states rely on censorship, surveillance, and government control, though it may seem more orderly. The risk in democracy is confusion. The risk in communism is silence. In democracies, governments aren't perfect, but people can protest, organize, and vote for change. In communist states, change often comes from the top, and ordinary citizens have little voice. In one system, freedom allows open discussion, even conflict. In the other, order is enforced by controlling speech. So we ask, who really listens? The system that allows free criticism or the one that silences it? Democracy is not easy, but it's built on the belief that every voice matters. In a world of misinformation, fear, and division, listening to citizens is more important than ever. A strong government doesn't silence people, it empowers them. Whether it's online or in the streets, your voice matters. The future of government depends on it.